Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to make an unboxing and review of S.Deer. S.Deer is a premium clothing brand that has been creating high quality clothes since 1994, and I'm lucky enough to try out some of their pieces, and I'm going to make a great review for you guys. Let's get to this video, and I'm going to unbox the package that I just received. The package that I received looked like this, and it was very heavy, so and it does say S.Deer right here, and I'm very excited to see what's in this package because I did choose some clothes, but I don't know how they will look in real life, so let's find out. So I think I really need a scissor because it was very well packaged, so I think I'm gonna need a scissor for this one. I'm going to show you everything that I got, and then I'm just going to try them on and style them with you. I ordered two sets, and both of these are skirts with tweed jackets. So this is the first set, and let me just take everything out of here, and then I'm going to show you everything. I really like the packaging. It feels like the packaging is very secure. I like that they are in these plastic bags like this. Oh, I've been very excited for this cardigan. I was between this and another one, and I really love this one. I also got a jacket, and I have been talking about a jacket like this, so we will see if it really is the way I wanted it, or like how I thought it was gonna be. I think this is a tweed jacket in here. But I really like the packaging. It feels like it's very quality packaging, and they are a premium and a high quality brand. So I just hope that the pieces also live up to that statement. Here is the zip bags, and I'm just going to start opening these because what am I doing? Okay. So this is what the cardigan looks like. I love this actually. I've been very excited for everything that I received. So I'm just excited to open everything up. And also I did get everything in a size small because I typically am a size small or extra small, so I hope that everything will fit well. Because sometimes when ordering online, you don't really know if the sizes are going to be... Sometimes it's a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller than expected. They also have the tags on them, which seems very serious and, you know, quality. And I also received some extra buttons in this one. It's a little bag here with the tag. And it says maintenance tips after sale services. Let's open it and see. It's a little bit like this, so I'm going to open and see if there is something in there. I really like this. I love the packaging. I love that, how it feels. This, sometimes when you get tweed cardigans, they feel a little bit stiff. And this is very soft. Okay, so after sale services, and this is about services and how if you want to return the product or exchange it, that you will, how you will do that. This is the skirts from one of the sets that I got. So this is the skirt, and it feels really good. Fake pockets right here, but the details, and this is not that short, which I like because I like little longer skirts and not having to worry about if I show anything inappropriate or not. She's really curious about everything. Cleo, can du gå ner? Tack. So this is what it looks like, and it feels really soft and great. I love this material, and I love what it looks like. I'm just going to show you up close. And I'm going to show you the top that comes with the jacket. It's not a top, the jacket that comes with the skirt, or it doesn't come with the skirt, you have to co-order them. So, and here's the jacket, and I really love It feels so good. I feel like this looks really good, especially like all year around. Like winter, you can have this in winter because it looks very like Christmassy. It looks really like white snow, you know. And also in spring. So you can wear this in like multiple purposes, and it looks super pretty. It is very soft and it does have many nice details. I really love these buttons right here. It's not just a button, it also has some gold details on it. Let's open the next set that I got. So these are also co-ords, and you got to get them separately, so I will link everything down below as well. So I got a white set and I also got a black set, and both have some glitter details to them. So this one looks like this. This has a little bit of a gold glitter on them. I just feel like this is super pretty. You can also style them in different ways than just with the matching skirt. You can style them with the jeans or like trousers or anything else. The material is really soft. Like, I was expecting these to be very stiff, but most of the tweed material that I have been trying on and, you know, felt the material on, they are very stiff. And this one is really soft. It's very nice. It's such a good material, and I just think it's super pretty. I love the details here as well that they do have. These are not fake pockets. They are real pockets. You can put your phone there. Not really your phone maybe, but something else. You can put your lipstick in here if that is something that you want. Next up, we do have the skirt for the black set and like the black tweed jacket. And this is what it looks like. It is perfect size. I feel like it is very like, how long it is perfect. I did choose to get a longer skirt and a shorter skirt just to versatile the styles I can do with these pieces. So it's very exciting. So, and they look so good. Like, I am very impressed. Like, I am so impressed by these, and they just feel super soft and they are super pretty. And also it shines, like it is glittery. So you can definitely wear this to a dinner and also like switch up the styles with what, like a blouse or something if you're not wearing the matching set. But I will definitely wear them together and try different styles as well. So I'm just super excited. So this is something you can wear definitely to a dinner or something like that. And I'm actually celebrating my sister tomorrow, and I think I'm going to wear the black set. I'm really excited to see how they look together. Last but not least, I have saved the most excited thing for last, and that is a jacket, or should I say coat. I do believe that this has a built-in scarf, but I'm not 100% sure. So let's find out. I'm going to open it right now, and I'm very excited to see the length of the coat, and like I'm just super excited. I love winter coats. I love winter coats. Like I would almost say that I collect winter coats. So let's open this. It's like a beige grayish tone to the coat. Oh, it's really soft. All the clothes that I have opened, and this is the last piece, they are so soft and like comfy, like hello. So this is the jacket right here, and I'm going to stand up to show you guys what it looks like. Let's just try this on for a minute, and I'm going to try to close it. And imagine with other clothes, of course. I'm going to style everything in the end. I'm just so excited to see what this looks like. And also you can like put it on the other way around. Like you can wear it like this as well. But okay, so I'm going to style everything and you will see what it all looks like together, like, or not together, but the way I style it. I'm going to start styling this set right here with the black skirt and the cardigan or tweed jacket for the black skirt, like this one. I'm going to style this outfit with these heels, just because I did try it out with high knee boots, just because, I mean, the skirt is perfect length, but I don't really feel like that fits the vibe. I feel like this is a little bit more classy and elegant, which high knee boots can also be, but with this look, I think it's best to go with a pair of pointy heels or loafers. I wear it like this right now, but it does have 2 buttons, so you can close it right here as well, and it will be completely closed. I like to wear it with only 1 button, so you can see a little bit of the shirt that I'm wearing underneath, and I'm just wearing this long sleeve top to kind of give some contrast from the black, but this will be perfect with black shoes as well. So this is what how I just styled this one. And then I also have my little red bag, but it is a little bit of different shade from the heels, but except for that this would look great. So if you have matching heels and bags, that's a great way to style an outfit. Okay, so let's move on to the next look, and I'm just going to put on the white set for this one. This is an all white outfit, and I'm styling it with the same heels as the last outfit. For this outfit, I am going to go with another bag, a little more structured. A structured bag is a lot more elegant than a little handbag, so this looks perfect together. If this was a bag with less logo, it would look a lot better, but it is what it is. So I just need this to give you guys the idea of a structured bag together with this outfit. And I mean, this outfit really goes, this bag actually goes well with the outfit because it gives it a little bit of a contrast, but not too much. This is the entire outfit. This is the material up close. I feel like this is a perfect outfit for a Christmas party if you just wear it with something red underneath here instead of a white sweater. Then it would also be a little bit more Christmassy, just because when I saw it together with my nails, and I mean, it looks great. So this outfit looks very classy and elegant, and now let's make a little bit more casual outfits. And I also have the last cardigan and the jacket to show you guys, so let me just do it right now. I do have my favorite pair of jeans right here, and I'm going to put them on and show you an outfit with the tweed cardigan. Okay, so I am wearing this tweed cardigan right now, and I think it looks great. And I'm just going to add these heels to it. Okay, so this is what it looks like together, just like this. I'm also going to close the cardigan so you can see what it looks like. This and a black bag, like handbag, would be perfect together. And I'm going to show you what the cardigan looks like up close, and it is gorgeous. I just love this look. I love the material. It's very soft and cozy, and it's super comfortable, and it's really pretty. So I also want to show you guys with the tweed jackets what it will look like together with jeans as a more everyday casual look. And as you see, this looks very chic and elegant, although I do have jeans on, and I am a person, I wouldn't say jeans are I would say that jeans are only casual uses, but for this way to style like this, it still looks casual, but also you give off the vibe that you are very elegant and classy at the same time. And now I'm still wearing this white top underneath, and it looks good, but it would also look good with a black top underneath to keep this dark vibe going. But I still like it. So I want to show you what it looks like when it's closed. And now let's put on the last piece, which is the coat. This would look so cute with a dress that is the same length as this coat. Also with a scarf, you can have it like this. This is a perfect jacket to get for this winter, so get it right now. I will link everything in the description box down below. S.Deer also has a lot of Black Friday deals on their website right now, and if you use the code 25Kate, you'll receive a discount of 25% off their entire website. If you use the code 30Kate, you will get a 30% discount on the entire website. If you shop for over $139, you will receive a 30% discount on everything with the code 30Kate. And if you shop for over $179, use the code 35Kate, you will receive a 35% discount on the website. These codes will expire on December 1st, but don't worry because I still have a all-time discount code for you guys. It's 22Kate and you will get 22% discount on S.Deer's entire website. What a great deal, guys. If you want to take part in the Black Friday deals, you gotta hurry up and shop today. So I will link everything down below. If you use the code 50Kate, you will get a 50% discount off on clearance, which means that everything on clearance will be yours for 50% discounts, which is amazing. This is as best as it can get. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to hit the like button down below. If you like fashion content, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.